Hello and welcome to this video on how to make a ring out of a dollar bill. Well, that's your finished product, and I encourage you to get there to simply pause the video at any time in case you miss a step. Your first thing to do is to get a nice crisp dollar bill, and your first fold will be along the bottom edge of the bill, folding up that white border to where you can just about see the green on the other side. Your goal here is to hide all the white of the border when you flip the bill over. As you can see, most of that white, if not all, is hidden. Next, you will fold down from the top, lining up against that same crease you just made. Be sure to line up your corners first and then make the crease along the top edge. You'll fold down from the top one more time, again along the crease that you made before, lining up your corners and trying to make a nice straight edge. When you fold the bill over, or flip it over, you'll see the N in the 1. With that, you will use it as a guide to go right up the middle with the inside edge of the bill as you fold it up at a 90-degree angle. Fold down one time, and now you've got an L shape that you can wrap around your finger. Picking it up, wrap it around your finger one time, and then line that up and fold from the right over. This is just to show you what the bill will begin to look like and prepare you for the next steps. Right here is a pocket that was created by the fold. You're going to take that part of the bill that my thumb is on with the white border, and it's going to fold into the pocket. To do that, we'll fold down and make a small arrow. This will point its way inside, and you'll need to kind of play with it to see getting that point into the part of the pocket so it'll stay. Once you slide that into the pocket, you keep your ring shape, but the flap that is sticking out is what will flip over the top to reveal the 1 that'll be the top of the bill. But in order for that to stay in place, I must fold down that part of the white border so it can lock into place on the other side. And you'll poke that into that pocket, and once you have that, you have the basic shape of the ring as well as the 1 that'll be on top. But you don't yet have a ring that is shaped to look like a ring all the way around. So looking at it, you can see it's all squared up. We'll want to make more of an hourglass shape to the back. To do that, we unfold the bill and identify where the inside edges, or the edges of the band of the ring were coming up to the square. And now we fold in kind of a curled shape or a curved shape into the inside of the bill that'll be against your finger. Using a pencil, you can flatten that down. Now make an identical curve to meet it, and again use a pencil to flatten that down. At this time, your band will now be shaped with that curved edge like a normal ring. Again, flip around your finger and repeat the steps. Now you have that point. You'll stick the point into the pocket that's inside the ring, and again you'll fold over the top part to reveal the 1 and put the bordered edge into that pocket. Now what I'm doing here is trying to shove it in, but I'll finally have to take and fold the edges of that border kind of into a more of an arrow shape so I can get them inside there. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll pull that out and just make it easier to shove it in by kind of folding down the corners of that border. That helps it slide in a little easier, and now I have the basic shape of the ring. And I can kind of work with the curved edges to make sure it looks nice and just kind of, edge things out and make things a bit more solid. And now you're ready to put the ring on. It'll fit a finky of a normal size, average size man, but definitely fit a child's finger. So there you go. There's the dollar bill ring, all nice and sized up, and of course with the curved edges to make it look like a nice band. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and pass on the word. I'll have some good things here for people to learn.